Honorable Chairperson, Chief Guest, judges, respected principal and teachers from different schools, senior, junior, and my dear friend. A very warm good afternoon to everyone present here. It's my great pleasure to welcome all of you on the second neighboring inter-school competition 2082 organized by Lotus English Boarding School. This program brings students from different schools to showcase their talents, to build confidence, and to learn from each other. I hope today's program will be enjoyable and memorable for all of us. Now, firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. It's me, Unipokral, studying in grade 9, standing in front of you all to representing Lotus English Boarding School. Before I kindly start my topic, I'd like to heartily thankful to my school management team and the respective teachers who have given me this golden opportunity on the topic use of AI in our daily life. Have you ever noticed that how our smartphone unlock itself by recognizing our face and fingerprint? Or YouTube suggests the video exactly according to your interest? Or have you ever wondered that how Google Maps show the fastest route? Or have you ever heard that these all smart features are powered by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is one of the most important technological development of modern science and world. AI refers to learn, think, and make decisions like humans. AI is one of the most important part of our daily life. AI is created by humans using data, algorithms, and computer programs. First, a huge number of data is collected, such as text, audio, video, graphics and number are collected. Then machines are trained into machine learning techniques to recognize pattern and to make decisions. With continuous time, AI improves its quality. AI is used in many sectors, like in education sector. AI helps students through smart learning apps, online classes, and personalized systems. By studies show that AI assist tool can assist student performance to 30 to 50%, making education more effective. In healthcare, AI helps doctor to diagnose disease of patient more conveniently and carefully. And in the report analysis also. Globally, AI in healthcare is projected to save over $150 billion annually by greater treatment and diagnosis. AI is also used in transportation, like using navigation systems, using electronic vehicles, etc. Research show that AI assist tool organized by AI cloud is expected to decrease over 90% of road accidents. AI is also used in bank and in industry sector. Over 80% of industries and bank use AI for greater productivity and creativity. AI is also used in entertainment sector, like in Instagram, in YouTube, in TikTok, etc. Over 70% of internet users use AI on their daily basis. Over 1 billion people use AI on their daily basis. AI makes our daily life easier and faster. Studies show that 60 to 65% of people who use AI in their daily base report greater performance and greater success. But there are some disadvantages of AI too. Over reliance of AI may reduce human creativity. In conclusion, I like to say that AI is one of the most important part of our daily life, which makes our work faster, easier, and smarter. It is made by humans, used by billions of people, and helping many people in their daily life. We need to use AI wisely and properly. By saying this much, I like to stop my short and sweet speech on the topic use of AI or artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Okay.